Welcome to this video. My name is Amit Awasthi and today I will be presenting to you my antenna design for efficient wireless propagation. I have used precise frequency level of 4.6 GHz, which is effective for flying drones and for WiMAX communication. Let's get started. First of all, I have used the Altair Feko software to make my antenna design. I have used CAD Feko to design my antenna, and then I have simulated it with Feko solver and got my result in post Feko. As you can see, this is the radiation pattern, and you can see the total gain of the antenna. The antenna gain is the measure of how well an antenna can direct the input power into a specific direction. And you can see that the shape of this pattern is like a torus or a donut shape with its a dipole at the center. Talking about its graph, you can see that reflection coefficient versus frequency graph is shown. Here you can see that my frequency range lies below minus 10 dB of reflection coefficient, which is quite good, as you know that minus 10 dB return loss means that the reflection power is 10 times smaller than the incident power. If we talk about in percentage, then it means that about 10% of the power is reflected while the 90% power is delivered to antenna. So if frequency between 4.3 to 4.9 gigahertz is used, then it will work best. Next, we can also see about the VSWR graph. It means that voltage standing wave ratio, and it's a measure of how efficiently radio frequency power is transmitted from the transmission line to the antenna. And if VSWR tends to 1, that is 1:1 ratio, then it's a perfect matching. And next we can see about the polar graph. You can see that in 2D figure it is shown a symbol of 8. This is all about my antenna. Next I went to OpenStreet and took the location of my area and exported this into Wallman. I created a 3D image of my area using Wallman, saved this file, and then went to ProMan to set up the antenna at a given site. As you can see, after setting up, I got several results, including the field strength, and you can see the color as well, which shows the pink color shows high intensity, while blue color shows light intensity. This is the result for power. It is quite similar to field strength. Then next is path loss, and last one is LOS. So this is all about my antenna module. Thank you for joining.